What's good, wavers? It's your boy Cash, and I'm back with another video. As a waver and as a YouTuber, as well as an entrepreneur, I have found different ways to generate revenue, especially when it comes to waving. All right. So if you want to know how you can make some money starting today, you can make money starting today with waving, you're going to want to stay tuned for this. So yo, we back. Did you ever hear the statement, find something you love to do and figure out a way to monetize it? Well, with waving, I've been able to accomplish that, all right? With waving, I have found several ways to generate revenue. Some of the ways being, I made money from Google ads or YouTube ads. Another way is I generated money from my merch, okay? But one of the biggest ways that I was able to generate revenue as a waver was through affiliate marketing, all right? Now, some of y'all might not know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when you have an online retailer that's willing to pay you a commission for bringing them customers, all right, which generates sales, all right? And you get a percentage of those sales. Now, some companies, it can range as low as 4%, as high as 80%, all right, depending on the company, all right? But this particular company I want to talk about today, and I want to put y'all on to that you can go and you can sign up today. You can go and sign up right now and start generating money instantly, okay? Is Crown Quality Products started their new line called 360 Sport Brush. Now, if y'all been following my channel, y'all know that I've made 2 videos so far about these brushes, all right? And these brushes have been flying off the shelf. And the reason being because these brushes have wet and dry technology. These brushes have precision steps, all right, that allow you to grip the brush and hold it firmly. These brushes also have non-slip grips to also help you to grip the brush and hold it firmly. The brush has an indented logo that's engraved into the brush, so you don't have to worry about the brush, about the sticker coming off, or you don't have to worry about it being painted on and rubbing off, okay? This brush also has 100% ball bristles, and they also claim to give you waves in hours, not days. So a lot of people who want to get waves fast, this is the brush that you want to get. A lot of people have been purchasing this brush, all right? I've generated a lot of sales through my YouTube videos, okay? Some of y'all may know, some of y'all may have clicked the link and purchased these brushes after watching one of my videos. Wavers Anonymous is now also on Instagram. I'll leave a link so y'all can go ahead and follow Wavers Anonymous, aka 360 Sport Brushes, on Instagram, okay? So far, year to date, I have done over $3,000 in sales, okay? That might not be a lot of money to some people, but it's a good amount of money to generate when it comes to a side hustle or setting up a different revenue stream, okay? All right, next, I'm gonna walk you through the sign up process. So if you wanna start making some money today, you're gonna wanna you're gonna wanna go to the website. The link is down in the description box. So after you watch this video, go down to the description box, click the link, it'll take you to the 360 Sport Wave Brush page. Now, when you get to this page, you wanna click the menu icon in the corner, all right? Now, when you click that menu icon, you're gonna wanna go down the menu and you're gonna wanna scroll and hit the affiliate program, okay? Click on the affiliate program, it's gonna open up another page for you. And then on that page, you wanna sign up for the affiliate program, okay? Once you sign up for the affiliate program, you're gonna get taken to your dashboard, and you're also gonna be given a referral link. Okay, so when you sign up, you'll see a welcome message saying welcome to the referral program, all right? And you can start generating revenue or commissions from brush sales. The second tab down from the welcome tab is the dashboard, all right? Now, when you click on the dashboard, it allows you to see your referral link. You can also take that referral link and you can personalize it. So whatever your tag name, business name, or whatever it is that you want to use, You can have that at the end of your referral link, and that will allow you to keep track. One, it'll allow you to customize your link. Two, that when they click that link, it's automatically, if they buy something, it's automatically going to track and record that sale for you. The tab underneath that is the post content tab. All right, this is a gallery of different pictures and products that 360 Sport Brush sell. You can download these images and you can post them on Instagram, Facebook, or any social media that you may have in order to promote the product and attach your links to help generate sales for you. All right, the next tab they got is called the commissions tab. Now, the commissions tab allows you to see your payouts. So you'll see everyone who has purchased a brush using your link, okay? And it also allows you to see the amount they spent, and it also allows you to see the amount that you're getting paid from that, what they spent. There's another tab that's called Invite Others. Now, this Invite Others allows you can invite others through email, and you can send posts, and you can send your link in the emails to invite others to purchase or invite them to the site that hopefully will generate and turn into sales for you. Last but not least, the last tab that's down there is your network, okay? Your network shows your downline. So anyone that sits up there that you refer or that signs up for the affiliate program, that they will become a part of your downline, okay? And you will also see the sales and the leads that are generated from your downline. Last but not least, the last tab is the settings tab. Now in the settings tab, this is where you want to put your payroll information. They pay out through PayPal, okay? So that you get paid once a month. I actually just got paid the other day. You go to settings, put your PayPal email address, and that's going to allow you to get paid. You can get paid once a month. The link, you decide that you want to join the affiliate program and start generating revenue today. All you have to do is create a post, attach your link to it, or put the on Instagram, put the link in your bio. On Facebook, you can attach the link to your picture or in your profile, whatever the case may be. Whatever social media you have, get ahead and post the link, post a picture, and have some brushes. I have a few brushes. Since I've been with the company, I have the Royal Blue, got the White Titan, Banging Black. And as far as handle brushes, I also got the Wonder Blue, and I got the Agent Army, okay? So your boy got about 5 brushes, right? 3 Caesar brushes or palm brushes, and 2 handle brushes, okay? If you got any questions, or if I didn't do a good job at explaining what you need to do in the video, leave a comment. I'll help you out to help you sign up for the program and help you be able to market and stuff like that. Also equip you with different videos, pictures, and stuff like that through Google Drive. If y'all have an issue, you can contact me and I will inbox y'all whatever it is you need. I'll comment back or whatever the case may be, all right? But this is a way you can start generating revenue today, okay? All you got to do is sign up, post a picture, post your link, and or refer people to the link and be like, yo, this is where I got this brush from, da-da-da-da-da. I've done it on Facebook, I've done it on YouTube, and I've done it on Instagram, and I've had success. Like I said, I've done over $3,000 in sales, and that could be you too. I am also the top affiliate of the company, okay? And at the end of the year, the top affiliate gets a $2,000 bonus, okay? So who wouldn't want extra money, all right? Some money's better than no money, all right? So everybody out here trying to get a bag, I'm trying to help y'all with getting a bag, all right? But it's your boy Cash. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.